Occasionally during troubleshooting or for preventative maintenance, we may need to recalibrate the stepper motor encoders. Here are a couple examples of when we should recalibrate our stepper motor encoders. Installing a new stepper motor encoder itself, installing a new extruder or print head or even new print bed, installing a new belt or pulley system, or if we're experiencing dislocations. To begin calibrating our stepper motor encoders, we will navigate to the Calibrate Encoders utility. Simply navigate to the menu, Utilities, Maintenance, Gantry Maintenance, and Calibrate Encoders. Next, we will press Unload Plastic on the printer's touchscreen and follow the on-screen instructions to unload the plastic from our printer. When finished unloading the material, we will manually move the print head to the center of the print chamber and press Next. This is an automated process, so please allow the stepper motors to calibrate and make sure nothing is touching the plastic extruder or print head during this process. Once complete, press Done and continue with reloading the plastic material.